Well, it's raining, so Buster and I drove up to the state park. We're right at Lake Superior, so I'm going to try and show you from from inside the truck because it's so windy, what Lake Superior looks like out here. I'm in another spot. You can see the water pounding on the breakwater. I'm watching all these people that are rushing up here with their camera phones, and there's some steps here that go down to the lake, and they're all nice and dry when they go down to the lake. When they come back up, they're soaking wet. I run out there on the deck of the stairs for a minute, and I took the camera and tried to get a view of it. It's not raining much, but I don't want to get the camera wet, so I'm back in the truck again. But I used to go down to Lake Michigan when I lived in Illinois and watch the waves come in on Lake Michigan, but it wasn't very often the wind had come because it had to come from the east, and this is a western wind. Boy, it's really making some waves out there. I couldn't even guess at how tall these waves are. I did take some shots, so I hope you were able to see them and could enjoy that. I always like watching stuff like that. That's just nature. Anyway, we're gonna get going. Buster's got to get dried out. Where are you, Buster? Come here. There. Yep, he was out for a little bit, but when he gets in the truck and shakes off. Well, I hope you can see that. Talk about looking beautiful and mean all at the same time. There's a fellow. He's trying to keep his camera lens clean. He's taking photos of himself. That's not me, Diane. I'm not out there with your camera. Buster's all excited. He's sitting there panting. Here's a tent that's kind of like blowing, but not blowing away yet. And this is one way, so I'm gonna keep going down further now, see what else I can see here. Looks like there's campsites on both sides of the little road here. And then to my left, I see another little road that's right next to the lake. So it must go around in a circle. We'll see, because if there's another road that goes to the back by the lake, I'm going to take it. Seems like wherever you're at in this park by the lake, you get a different little view of it. Kind of like the water's doing something different. Okay, here it goes. We're going to take a ride around by the lake here on this road. Yep, bunch of campsites over here again. The campsites look like. Oh, the driveways of the campsites are probably about maybe 40 feet apart. So at least you're not on top of each other. Well, Buster and I hope that you enjoyed this adventure with us. We can make an adventure out of any kind of day, even if it's raining. So, if you liked our video, hey, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.
I'm talking about heroes. It's wonderful to see the support given to the men and women in our military. Please don't forget them when they return home. Join with the members of the American Legion and other veterans organizations in making sure that our newest generation of veterans and their families continue to receive the support they deserve for the sacrifices they've made, and this message is brought to you by Atomics County Foods, Feral Gas, Great Lakes Mineral Works, Valley View Quarry, Valley View Concrete, and Eagle Radio.